Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. And in Word, shortcut is not working. So shortcut is not working. So how to resolve? Open any Word file. Then guys click to File. Then click to Options, Languages. Select English language. Okay, and you can select the. You have to multiple languages. So select Set Default. Okay, then guys English, and then OK. Next is update your keyboard driver. So right click to icon, click device manager, then guys click to keyboard, find out to keyboard, right click to open driver and install, and then close. I already installed, that will show this now. Okay, then repair Microsoft Office. So open control panel, view by category, then guys click to uninstall and select Microsoft Office, click to change, otherwise you can click to right click to change, then yes, then click to repair. If there show online repair, so select online, then let's click to continue. So now it is repairing of Microsoft Standard is running. One more thing, disable add in plugin. So again open Word, disable add in. So guys here type win word space slash save, and then guys enter. This open, then guys click to file, options, add in, go and uncheck, unclick to all, and then guys OK. Thank you.